Hello, this is Darin Martineau, the creator of Team Freedom Master Marketing course. And in this video, I'm going to show you an overview of our membership site here. We have many different levels. You can join the free level, and in the free level, you will get access to some training. But I'm also going to show you the advanced training as well in here. This is a sneak peek. So what is Team Freedom? So Team Freedom is it's an incredible marketing course, okay? You're going to get video trainings, you're going to get ebooks, you're going to get all kinds of uh, everything that we're going to show you here. So um, we're going to show you inside the back office and how much value is inside here. Um, all the video tutorials that I create on a daily basis, ebooks that I create, and all the things I put inside here. There's Chat GPT Masterclass. Um, I show you how to get unlimited traffic, on and on and on and on. So how much is it? Okay, so it's $20 a month for the monthly Team Freedom Marketing monthly membership. Okay, and the yearly plan you can save $43. It's $197. Okay, now this is what you're going to get, and there's hundreds of trainings in here, and I'm adding stuff every day. Okay, so it's video trainings on marketing, it's ebooks, it's swipe files. I show you how to use Chat GPT, all the latest AI, so many incredible things. Okay, I show you how to do my viral video, instant viral videos. I have so many products. All the products that I'm creating, I have tons of products. I'm all putting them inside here. Now, what you can do is you can join the free level. Okay, when you join the free level, I'm going to show you some of the best affiliate programs, the best programs that I'm promoting. Okay, so all you have to do is put in your name and email right now, and you can join the free level, and I will show you an overview of what we do, show you how to make money online. Thank you very much.